Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make your Kahoot public on mobile full guide. Open the Kahoot app, sign in, and locate your Kahoot in My Kahoots. Tap the three dots to open settings, choose visibility, then select public. Confirm changes and check the Kahoot page to ensure it shows as public. If you use a school or team account, verify admin permissions before changing visibility to avoid access restrictions. When adjusting privacy, first review the Kahoot details page and locate visibility under settings. If your Kahoot contains restricted content, it may prevent public sharing, so edit or remove those elements. Tap Save and then refresh your Kahoot list or reopen the Kahoot to confirm it now shows as public. If you have trouble, log out and back in or check that your app is updated to the latest version for best results. Hey, if this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can make more mobile tutorials. Quick recommendation: grab the Simple Path to Wealth if you want a clearer view on money and smarter choices. It's an entertaining and practical read that pairs well with productivity learning. Check the description for the link and other deals, then follow the steps I showed. Now let's get back to the video. After making the Kahoot public, copy the share link or use the app's share button to send it to players. Run a quick private test session to ensure anyone can join without signing into a specific account. If players encounter access errors, revisit visibility settings and check your account or team permissions. Troubleshooting these steps usually resolves most sharing problems, so your game is ready for students or friends.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.